Congratulations on taking the first steps toward a sound financial future. This short video tutorial will take you through our program to help you remove erroneous, obsolete, and inaccurate information from your credit report. We also want to share with you your role in helping you establish a sound financial future for you and your family. United Credit Education Services is a DBA for the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. At United Credit Education Services, we take great pride in our exceptional rating with the Better Business Bureau and on the educational programs we offer to consumers and the thousands of middle school children across the United States that participate in our award-winning Family Mint program. So let's get started on your credit restoration program. The first thing we need to do is obtain and analyze your credit reports from the major credit agencies. In order to do this, you need to activate your credit restoration and watch the short video detailing how the credit process works. Once completed, the information from this credit report will be uploaded into your online account, which we will discuss a little later in this video. As we continue this process, we will need you to take a few steps to assure quick and accurate results. First, add us to your contact list to receive all of our communications. Once we have obtained a copy of your credit reports, we will analyze them and draw up your dispute letters based on what we find. We will then send them to you in the mail. Simply wait for your dispute letters to arrive in the mail. They will be mailed to your home in a 9x11 white envelope that contains a packet of information on the dispute process and your dispute letters for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Review these documents carefully to assure these are the correct items that you want disputed. If changes need to be made to your dispute letters, please contact us at United Credit and we will make the necessary corrections. After reviewing your letters, you will also need to add an identification document page to each. The credit agencies are looking to prevent identity theft, as they're going to be supplying you with personal and financial information. To accomplish this, they are going to be asking for proof of your Social Security number and current residence. Social Security verification must include your full name and all 9 digits of your Social Security number. Acceptable Social Security documents are a copy of your Social Security card, an employer pay stub, or a tax form, such as a 1099 or W-2. In addition to the Social Security document, you will need to provide a proof of residence that reflects the name and address that you used in your application with United Credit. Acceptable address documents are a credit card or utility bill, insurance statements, or a valid driver's license, provided it has the correct address on it. Simply take one document from both categories, put them back onto a blank sheet of paper, and then photocopy, scan, or print a photo of the page, and your ID sheet will be done. Make sure that you have 3 copies of your ID page, as you will need to attach 1 copy to each of the 3 letters before sending them out. After reviewing your letters and adding a page of identification documents, sign and mail them to each credit agency. Their address will be found at the top of each letter. In about 30 to 45 days after mailing your dispute letters, you should begin receiving responses from the credit agencies. By law, the credit agencies are required to contact your creditors, review the information you provided, and respond back to you. Forward a copy of any and all responses you receive to United Credit Education Services. When we receive your information, we will update your account online and prepare your next round of dispute letters. Keep in mind that individual results vary, depending on your credit profile and participation in the program. You will also be able to access your account online at www.united-credit.org. Go to the top of the page and click on the Login button. Your username will be your email address, and your password will be the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. After you sign in, you will arrive at your own customer profile page, which includes your account information and your initial credit score. You will also have the ability to click on the Progress Report tab that will show you all of your derogatory accounts for all 3 credit agencies. Click on each of the tabs to view the detailed information for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. When you begin the credit restoration process, each line item being worked on will show in dispute. As time goes on, the status will change depending on what has happened with that account. On the top of the page, you can see a summary of all 3 credit agencies indicating the original accounts, any new derogatory accounts that were added, the number of accounts that were deleted, and the accounts that are still in dispute. This information is available to you online 24/7 or you can contact our customer support department Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. While you're in our credit restoration program, remember that your success depends on each of the following: paying each and every one of your bills on time. If possible, pay your revolving credit balance down to 30% or less. Pay off or settle past collections or overdue debts, and avoid opening any additional accounts. Make sure to be using open lines of credit. If necessary, obtain a secured credit card. For additional information regarding our services, please contact us at 248-848-9065.